dear students. In the previous class, we have already discussed what are nutrients and few components of food. And today we will cover the rest of the topics. But before that, tell me, how many types of nutrients are there? I have already told you in the previous class. How many types of nutrients? There are 5 types of nutrients. What are these? Who will tell me? Carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. So all are clear up to vitamins? Vitamins पर्यंत समझते भलसे बुझी जाइछो? Okay. Now we will know the next component of food, that is minerals. Minerals. So you can see the uses of minerals. Minerals helps in proper functioning of the body, normal growth and good health. Now some important minerals in our body, that is phosphorus, calcium, sodium, iodine, iron, potassium, etc. These are the important minerals found in our food which helps our body in many ways. Now I will explain these minerals one by one. Calcium. Calcium helps to make our bone and teeth stronger, proper functioning of heart and muscle cells, and clotting of blood. Do you know what is clotting of blood? तमे नोटिस करथिबो जेतले हमर किछि इंजरी हुए किछि टाइम परे ब्लड फ्लो बंद हो जाए, किछि टाइम परे नोटिस करथिबो कि ब्लड आउ फ्लो हुएनी, सेही जिनसटा को ब्लड क्लॉट कहा जाए, क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. एई जिनसटा कैल्शियम हमको हेल्प करे. सम ऑफ द इंपोर्टेंट सोर्सेस ऑफ कैल्शियम आर sources of calcium. Milk give us calcium, egg, fish, etc. These are the sources of calcium. We get calcium from these foods. Our next mineral is phosphorus. Like calcium, phosphorus also makes our bone and teeth stronger. Calcium भलिया phosphorus भी हम बॉडी रो bones और teeth strong बनाए. ठीक अछि? So what are the sources of phosphorus? The sources of phosphorus is, we get phosphorus from banana, milk and green chilies, pulses, etc. We get phosphorus from these vegetables and fruits, which makes our bones and teeth stronger. Milk contain calcium and phosphorus in good amount. Milk contain both calcium and phosphorus. Okay? The next mineral is iodine. Iodine helps in proper functioning of thyroid gland. Do you know what is thyroid gland? Thyroid gland present in our base of the neck. Here, in this thyroid gland is present, which is butterfly in shape. As you can see, butterfly shape ro देखा जाउछि रे ना. Thyroid gland एठी present अछि, neck पाखरे. एटा कोन करे? It helps in metabolic activities in the body. Metabolic activities in the body, which ultimately helps in growth and development. Now you understand what does iodine do? Iodine helps in proper functioning of thyroid gland. The sources of iodine is sea fish, fruits and some vegetables. And some salts also contain iodine. Sea fish, fruits and some vegetables. These are the sources of iodine. We get iodine from these foods. Now let's come to the next mineral, that is iron. The next mineral is iron. Iron helps to make hemoglobin in the RBC. Do you know what is RBC? RBC are the red blood cells. एमाने red blood cells which are present in the blood. These are the red blood cells which are present in the blood, which carries what? Oxygen in the body. आम बॉडी रे जतबेले जोठी भी ऑक्सीजन दरकार, सपोज मोर हैंड रे ने ऑक्सीजन दरकार, तो हेमोग्लोबिन ऑक्सीजन कैरी करे आम बॉडी रे. बुझ पालो हेमोग्लोबिन कोन करे? तो आयरन आम बॉडी रे कोन करे? हेमोग्लोबिन प्रोड्यूस करे. और हेमोग्लोबिन अल्टीमेटली ऑक्सीजन कैरी करिवारे हेल्प करे. सो नाउ वी विल नो द सोर्सेस ऑफ iron. The sources of iron: banana, apple, समस्ते गुड एप्पल तो खाऊ ही थी वो. डार्क चॉकलेट, spinach, etc. These are the sources of iron. We get iron from these foods. Okay? So these are the important minerals that are found in our body. हमें में बनता पांचटा nutrients पढ़ी साले. Now we will see the next component of food. The next component of food कौन है? The next component of food is water. Water has no food value as water contains no nutrients. हमें already पढ़ी चे nutrients कौन है? Water रे कौन सी प्रकार nutrients नहीं. Water निजे गोटे component of food. It is very essential for our life because of these uses. The first use is it absorbs nutrients from food. What आमी जो food consume करचे तादेरे बहुत टाइप रो nutrients अछि. मैं तुमको सब बुझेली. सेही nutrients को water absorb करे आउ हम body को provide करे, body cells को provide करे. ठीक अछि? water बुझि पालो. water absorbs nutrients from food. It carries that nutrients to all the cells. जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स को से हम फूड रो एब्जॉर्ब कला से सेटा बॉडी रो प्रत्येक सेल को प्रोवाइड करेला. बुझि पालो वाटर कोन करे? द नेक्स्ट यूज इज रिमूव टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस एंड वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. हम बॉडी रे जते भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स अछि जोटा हम बॉडी पे यूजफुल नुह, सेही सब्सटेंसेस को वाटर बॉडी रो रिमूव करिवारे हेल्प करे. बुझि पालो? The next point is it regulate body temperature. बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करिवारे हेल्प करे वाटर. बुझि पालो? So the sources of water, we get water, we can directly consume water and from juices and fruits, milk and other liquids. We can get water from these things. Okay? Now the next component of food, that is roughage. Roughage is the fiber matter that cannot be digested, or we can say the indigested food are called roughage. हमें जो फूड कंज्यूम करजु जो जिससे सब फूड जोड़ा डाइजेस्ट है परनी ताको हमें roughage कहू. Alright? These are mostly made up of cellulose which we get from plants. This does not provide any nutrients. वाटर भलिया एमाने भी हमको कौनसे nutrients provide करंती नहीं. This helps in normal functioning of digestive system. ये हम digestive system रे help करे. ठीक अछि? So the sources of roughage are fruits, vegetables and some nuts, etc. Now we have discussed all the components of food, all the 7 components of food. Next we will discuss the balanced diet. Next topic is balanced diet. So what is a balanced diet? A diet that contains all the amount of adequate nutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, is called a balanced diet. All the amount of adequate nutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat and vitamins and minerals, is called a balanced diet. एथिरे water and roughage भी ऐड होची. It contains water and roughage also. See, बहुत different type of लोक थांती. समस्त दिनो को different type of activities करंती. तो सेति पई समस्त को बैलेंस डाइट सेम न थाए. It is different for all the types of people. So समस्त बुझिला balanced diet कोन. Now we will see deficiency diseases. Okay? The next topic is deficiency disease. The disease which arises due to the lack of nutrients over a long period of time is called deficiency disease. बहुत टाइम पे हम बॉडी को जदी गोटे न्यूट्रिएंट सप्लाई न हुए ताहले हमको डिजीज हुए ताको ही हमें डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज को. ठीक अछि बुझि पालो. एबे हमें देखिबा को न्यूट्रिएंट्स अभावरु कोन डिजीज हुए. राइट. द फर्स्ट वन इज प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज, दैट इज क्वाशियोकर. हियर कौन एथरे कौन हुए ना हम ग्रोथ रे डिले हुए, फ्रीक्वेंटली हम इन्फेक्शन हुए. So you understand the protein deficiency disease? Now the deficiency disease due to protein, lack of protein and carbohydrate, that is marasmus. This is a severe malnutrition. Severe malnutrition which occurs frequently in children. Okay? The next one is vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. जो थ्री के हम विजन क्लियर न थाए. ठीक अछि. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi, in which loss of appetite and weakness occurs. Okay. Next, vitamin C. Vitamin C causes scurvy. And the next one is vitamin D and calcium. The deficiency of vitamin D and calcium causes rickets, in which softening and weakening of the bones occur. Okay. जो तरह के हम bones weak हो जाए नॉलेज सॉफ्ट हो जाए. ठीक अछि. The next one is iodine. Iodine, deficiency of iodine causes goiter. Okay. The next one is iron. Deficiency of iron causes anemia. Anemia, in what happens in anemia? So RBC, we lack RBC and it reduces the oxygen flow in our body. RBC जदि कम हो जाए ताले कोन हो? ऑक्सीजन फ्लो हम बॉडी रे कम ही जिवो. एबे बुझिलो डेफिशिएंसी डिजीजेस. So now we have completed all the topics of components of food. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.